Stocks on the deep. We'll cover MFH, TWG, YHC, MAMO, ATHR, and BNED. So we'll kick off with MFH, down 64.73. Just in this session, it printed an intraday high of $6.23. Let's see now. The company priced, is saying here, Mercury FinTech shares fall after pricing $43.7 million dollar offering. Let's see whether it's still the same thing. Let's see. Yeah, it's still the same thing, the same news. Mercury, yeah, to issue 12.485 million shares and warrants at $3.5 each. Yeah, I think surely with that sort of pricing, it will definitely affect the stock. Yeah, intraday low 1.38. What a volatile session has been for the stock. So let's see what we have. Lower prices are still expected to keep printing. This is its daily chart. Let's see now. I think it's going to remain like this up to Friday, the 1st of August. So Friday, 1st of August, that will be, yeah, next week. And then after that, maybe it may pivot from there and begin to pick up. Momentum is equally expected to decay as well. In terms of projections, what do we have? Currently in play right now, we have 5.04, 5.72, 6.13. There's absolutely no guarantee that those projections will print. Indeed, there might be more. There might be more to be seen on the 4-hour chart, but we can just quickly, let's see now. We can quickly have a look at the market greed. Yeah, the market grid hasn't reacted, so it's not exactly very perfect. It has 4.64. These are upper projections, 4.64 going all the way to 5.68, and we have 5.72 on the Fibonacci projections, and then 6.13. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next is TWG. Okay, TWG is yeah, it's been moving sideways for a very long time, and suddenly it spiked. When did it spike? It was on Friday that it spiked, Friday the 18th that it spiked. Yeah, was it Friday? It started to spike on Thursday and continued on to Friday. So today it's giving up those gains. Let's see what we have in terms of it's currently trading at 6.5. So upper projections we have based on the market grid 9.29, 9.38, 9.47, 9.56, 9.72, 9.81, 9.9, 9.98. Let's see. There are also down projections really, really low 0.0546, 0.0006, and even much lower. And even much lower. So you have to be careful with this stock. You have to be really careful. Don't fall for this one. It's one of those. It's one of those stocks you have to be really careful about. Yeah, just be careful about with Top Wealth TWG. Yeah, let me see TWG. Where is it incorporated? TWG is down 31.8%. Let me see. TWG, strange. It's supposed to be double. It's supposed to be on this list, but for some reason it's not. Okay, let's see whether we can find it. Okay, this is. I think we need to ignore this one. Top wealth. We need to ignore it. It's a reverse split or something like that. So it's not. It hasn't. But we can clearly see a decline here. 31.8%. I think. Yeah, but I think our swim is not getting some errors there. But we can clearly see here it's down. Yeah, 31.8%. Yeah, 32.5%. So we don't need to ignore it. But buying it, it's, let's see now. Um, yeah, it's incorporated in Hong Kong. So just be careful with some of these stocks. Just be really careful with them. Just be really careful with them. Be really careful with them. Okay, so upper projections based on its market greed from 9.29, but there are also down projections. There are lower prices that are still possible. 0.0006 dollars. Okay, they could do a raw pull on this one as well. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Next is YHC. YHC has continued to show a lot of weakness. This is what 27.56. This is what they thought a second straight session of losses. YHC. Yeah, let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have one point. It's a down projection 1.6. Market greed has very low prices. You can see that 0.54 and then negative 0.42, negative 1.29. Down projection of 1.51, upper projection 3.25, 4.22, 5.19, 6.05. There's no guarantee that it's going to rebound and retest these highs. You have to be careful. There's an incident with YHC. Let's see now. Some people are saying what is it called? Some people are accusing somebody of scamming them or something like that. Okay, let's see. LKR House said Thursday that it intends to broaden its focus by integrating cryptocurrency and blockchain technology into its long-term business model. The board had approved a resolution to allocate a portion of the treasury to Bitcoin, along with its stated intention to explore a potential investment in mining infrastructure through a partnership with Bitmain and Polaris Capital. Yeah, there was something there about Leshna or something like that. I'm not. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the next stock. So these are the projections on upper projections on YHC. The market greed values. There's still a downward projection of 1.51, upper projections of 2.3.25, 4.22, 5.19, 6.05. You can't bank on these. There's no guarantee that they will print. Lower prices may still be possible. So let's move on to the next. Next is MAMO. MAMO. MFO. Okay, down 5 point, not a lot, 5.68%. I think it may have recovered some of its losses. MAMO. Yeah, at some point it dips all the way down to 2.1. So yeah, and you can see the range. Yeah, 2.84 intraday high, and then what looks like a value close to the intraday low. So yeah, so up to 30% was lost at some point. Yeah, so I guess that's why we're watching this. That's why it came to our attention. Yeah, but maybe there isn't very much going on there. MAMO. There's no news. The stock is trading in between its let's see what it's trading. It's at 2.64, so it's okay. It's in its support zone on its daily chart here. So upper projections 2.75, 2.85, 2.9, 2.96, 3.01. Yeah, Fibonacci projections say 2.3, 2.03, 2.16, 2.38, 2.53, 3.31, 3.55. So let's move on to the next stock, ATHR. ATHR down 30.32%. Okay, let's see what's going on. It has a market greed, hasn't been trading for a long time. Um, yeah, we have some values here. Okay, it's down 31% or thereabout. So some down projections 5.85, 7.13, and then upper projections 9.2. Market grid has other values above 9.2. It has 12.12, 12.38, 12.59, 12.84, 13.28, 13.53, 13.78, $14. Yeah, with time, this may change as well. These values may change, but at the moment, this is what's in play. Okay, let's have a look at the last one. That's BNED. This is the second session of losses for BNED, down 20.44%. Okay, there. Okay, do we have 9.87? It's a slight upward projection. Market greed has above that 9.87, it has 10.68, 10.81, 10.95, 11.1, 11.36, 11.51, 11.65, 11.78. Let's see now. I think there's a deal with IMNR or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, at some point we may delve into some of these stocks individually. So see what you make of all of them, but be really careful with TWG. You may still plunge further. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.